All right, everyone. Hi, here I am again. Looking a little tired. There's a reason for that. My mother's been in and out of the hospital for a month, and it is wearing me out. It is why I'm not getting videos out. Not that I'm prolific at videos, but I wanted to get this vintage dress one up and out. So I finished off all the details on the dress. I'm just going to give you a little tour of it. And kind of give you a quick tour, a style tour, to finish this off. It's not done the way I would have liked to do it in detail, showing you all the little bits and pieces and parts and giving you tips and whatever, but you know, this is life. So here goes a little tour. So here's the outside of the dress. It looks the same, except that it now fits my proportions exactly. I took up the waist. I raised it up by like an inch to get my natural waistline, and that puts these glorious pockets right on my hips, which is so cool. I've really steamed out the neck and I've steamed out the whole dress so that everything fits really nicely over the body. In here you can see I added the zipper, and what I did was, if you can see this, I'll show you from the back. I hand stitched it on. It just, you know, I can make it fit better. I'm pretty good at hand stitching. It's such it's a peaceful way for me to put together clothing. Sometimes I don't like to hassle with the machine, and I highly recommend learning if you don't know how. It's something you can do in your lap in front of the TV, so that's kind of glorious. So here's the back. The back is, you know, much more plain, but you can see it's got these beautiful darting right on the back side. You can still see some of my marking here. This fits me perfectly now that I've raised the waist, and they also have the darting in the back, which contours it to your back, and more darting in the shoulders that makes the top sort of blouse-like and loose-fitting, where this fits through the torso, which is so cool. But here is the zipper. I was telling you about the hand stitching, which you can kind of see here. Sorry, the lighting's kind of going in and out on me. You can see that. And then over here, these are new zippers. I just ordered from Joann's. They're the invisible zipper. And I fit this one into the side. Since I had taken out an inch here, they had an interfacing in this side seam just to make it stronger for the zipper, so the zipper doesn't pucker a lot and everything, and it doesn't pull out as easily. So I just, I ripped the interfacing out and trimmed it to the right size, and then just put it back in. Oops, sorry about that. So you can see that zipper fits perfectly right in there. Again, I hand stitched that in, and I will pop a few images up on the screen so you can see that. Bam! This is where you can see my eclectic style. But this is what I was thinking was these glorious. Not vintage, but definitely older. I think I got these in the 90s. They are, I don't even know how to say it, Miu Miu. I think they work under the same company as Prada, maybe. Somebody can put it in the comments below if you knew more about fashion than I do, but I just knew that I adored these shoes. They're way too high for me right now. But since they're a block heel and I'm thinking about just wearing them for Christmas, or, you know, it was a Christmas party. It's now a holiday party. Anyway, since I'm thinking about wearing these for the holiday party, I just love the exuberance of this pattern. So let's take them over here back through my office and into the studio. Let's put them here and see what we think. Yeah, I'm digging it. I'm gonna flip this over. Sorry about all the fingers. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I know this is not an ideal way. I'll flip up some pictures of me in it, trying it on. But I don't know, I kind of dig it. My other option would be much more boring. So let me know what you think. All right, off to take care of my mama. See you later, folks. Hi everyone. Okay, so voila. What do you think? Isn't it gorgeous? I took it in just slightly here and up, in and up. These now sit like right on my hips, which I think is perfect. Didn't do much in here except and I'm adjusting it now, the shoulder pads. I showed you that process. Geez, why am I not getting this? There we go. This is just the coziest dress. I love it. It just fits and flows. It's probably a wool silk crepe. Again, it's vintage, so I don't know. There's no tags in it. Now today, I just thought it would be super fun. This is not a fashion video by any means. I'm a sewer, I'm an artist, but I thought it would be cool to show you a few little accessories. First of all, I got these new glasses. They're my second pair of like studio glasses. I lose glasses all the time. So anyway, I love them with this dress. Totally love them with this dress. Again, I've showed you this lipstick before, but this is Lisa Eldridge, and I'll put a link below. I adore her lipstick. The pigment is just so bright and beautiful. All right, so we put a side zip in here. We put a new zip in the back, and I didn't end up having to do anything to the hem, because when I lifted the waist, I feel like it's in just the right spot for me. And now I'm moving back so you can see the shoes. These are the Miu Miu's, or don't know how to say that, Division of Prada, I think, or Outtake of Prada. I just love these. I got them on sale ages and ages ago, and I think they look pretty cute. I also have this Indian head coin that my dad made into a necklace. He's really good at giving us necklaces every year, and it's really pretty. It fits well there, but it's gold, and it kind of goes with the gold on, or I think it does go with the gold on the shoes. But then again, the bling on the dress is rhinestones. So what I thought was I would show you a little, we'd do a little change and see what we get. Let me see if I can get this necklace off. Okay. What I have here, I'll show you. I've done a little Okay, so now for the quick change. I may speed this up. Never done one of these before, so hope you like it. Tiffany necklace again from my dad. I thought the chain sort of disappears, but you get this beautiful, what are they called? Anyway, you get this beautiful feature here, and again, fits really nicely there. And then, you know, why don't we change the shoes? I really don't wear high heels like this anymore, but they are so gorgeous. So to keep everything more understated, the accessories, I am putting on these gorgeous little things. These are modern vintage. I'll try and put a link below for some of the accessories and things. I think I said this necklace is a Tiffany's. You know, I don't get dressed up that often at all. So when I do, it's fun. And here we go with the modern vintage shoes. They're gorgeous. I have another Tiffany's necklace choice, so let's see what that one looks like. I wear this one more frequently because it's very simple. This olive branch, I think it's so beautiful. So anyway, again, very simple light chain this time. And nothing takes away from the dress there, really, but you still have something if you want something. Yeah, I don't think you need something with this dress, really. And let's look. Okay, now we're going vintage. These are vintage beads from my grandmother. Not sure from when. Totally different look. Oh, what are they called? They're black glass beads, so onyx beads or something like that. Gray hair. It's different. It changes the look of the neckline. I'm not sure I love that, but it is appropriate to the era, and it matches the black. Let's just pull this out. This is such a great little chair from Restoration Hardware. Much easier to change heels sitting down. Maybe that would be fun. I'm feeling a little like Mr. Rogers. Instead of changing my sweater, I'm changing my heels. Mr. Rogers seems to be the thing right now. And oh, I should have showed these to you first. I will pop them up in a photo. These are definitely vintage. My grandma's Garolini, made in Italy. Of course, Italian shoes are stunning. These are so old, they're showing wear. But this is all gold in there. Well, I'm sure it's not real gold, but and these are patent. They're like a patent leather. You see that shine? They're quite gorgeous. And then this is a matte suede. I thought to go vintage with the dress, why not? Woo, bling. So let's see how these look. I'm realizing as I do this that I need to condition them. You can use a leather conditioner. I have a lot around because my daughter rides, so just a nice little leather conditioner on there every once in a while. So let's see. Here we go. The best thing about these shoes is they're definitely the most comfortable of the lot. Platform shoes are just very comfortable. All right, well, there you have it. That is my array. I hope you liked it. Again, not a fashion blogger, but you spend a lot of time making a dress or altering a dress to fit you. Why wouldn't you take the time to think about the accessories? It's just so fun, I love it. I think it came out great. Well, holiday party, here I come. Hey, let me know down below which accessory options you would choose. I know I'm sticking with the glasses for sure. But, yeah, necklace, shoes, let me know. I'm indecisive. Thanks, peeps. Glad you stayed with me for this little journey. Hope you liked it. Any suggestions, put those down below too. It's always helpful to kind of hone in my ideas because I'm usually all over the place. Gotta attend to the puppy. He's always barking.